Xiaomi has launched a new smart home tool called the Xiaomi Mijia electric straight handle screwdriver in China. The product will go on crowdfunding next Wednesday for 99 yuan, which is $15 in conversion. The new electric screwdriver is designed for home repairs, furniture assembly, and other everyday tasks. It comes with 3 adjustable torque levels. In electric mode, the screwdriver can deliver up to 4 Nm of torque, while manual mode increases the maximum torque to 8 Nm for tougher screws. The screwdriver has a built-in 2000 mAh battery. According to Xiaomi, a full charge is enough to tighten around 600 screws, making it suitable for long repair or installation sessions without frequent charging. The screwdriver also supports universal Type-C charging. The product uses an all-metal planetary gearbox, which improves stability and durability during heavy use. The company claims the gearbox can maintain stable output even under high-intensity operation while reducing the chances of slipping or jamming. The screwdriver includes a magnetic bit holder that helps keep screws in place during installation. Xiaomi says this feature can make alignment easier, especially in tight spaces. However, the magnetic function mainly works with ferrous and iron-based alloy screws. The package includes 18 screwdriver bits in total, including 9 long bits and 9 short bits. Xiaomi has also added integrated storage inside the carrying case to keep the main unit and accessories organized. Other features include a built-in ring-shaped LED light for working in dark areas and a one-button system for switching between forward and reverse rotation. The company says the compact EVA storage case is impact-resistant and easy to carry and store.